Hello everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you today? It's beautiful weather out. Trust it is the same where you are. Okay, so today we're bringing you our usual, how we made this beautiful piece. We named this set, it's a skirt and a top, and it's for work. It's work wear, wear to your office, wear to corporate events, and you can also wear it out to parties. So it's an outfit that takes you from work to the party, work in the daytime and party in the evening. Okay, so before I dive in, right, are you new to our channel? You should totally go subscribe. On a weekly basis, we bring you brand new videos. Now, these videos could be inspirational videos showing you a 360 walk around of what we made to inspire you to make yours, or a video telling you how we made one of our bespoke pieces like this one I'm talking about, or another video demystifying crochet. Yeah, we just started that particular series this year, and we hope you enjoy it. We also make room for you to suggest what you would like to see, and then we would bring that to you. Okay, so like I said earlier on, it is a skirt and a top, right? Yeah, it's a short skirt, a short flare skirt. We're going to start with the skirt, short A-line flare, essentially, as you can see. Okay, and we made it with a lacy design, so you can choose any design of lace that you like, and choose a lace design that allows increases. Okay, because you have to give it steady increases to get this flare look. All right, steady increases to give it a flare look. So for example, if you started out with a certain number of stitches, you can maintain that number of stitches for say about 4 to 5 rows, and then you increase the number of stitches maybe by a 6 or a 10 or an 8. You just choose your number and then maintain that same number. For every 6 rows you increase, every 6 rows you increase, or every 10 rows you increase, depending on how steep you want your A line to be. All right, so this is a sky blue. We named the set Ava. So this skirt is really simple to work. Like I said, choose your design. Any lace design will do. Okay, and how did we work this? Yeah, like I said, we didn't walk in the round, we walked in the diagonal fashion. All right, starting from this point up here being the waist. Of course, you would have measured the individual's waist. That's the most important measurement for this skirt. You measure the individual's waist, walk a few rows, a few single crochet rows. We walked about this is 1 2 3 4 5 single crochet rows, and then we started out on the lace design. So diagonally we go, and then we come back, and then we go again, and then we come back, and then we increase, like I said, gradually like that. Then at the end of it, right, at the end of it, we do this, we edge the individual sides of the skirt, right? The individual sides of the initial long, it's a long line, right? It's like a scarf at the beginning. All right, so you edge this side and then edge the other side, and then you now join both. We joined this with the surface stitch, yeah, with the surface slip stitch, surface slip stitch. And then we made room for buttons. We created these loops right here, right? We created these loops right here, and then infused buttons. What else did we do in order to ensure that whatever happens, we know acrylic stretches? We used acrylic yarn for this skirt. So because of the stretchy nature of acrylic, we knew that at a point the skirt may become wider than the individual's waist. So what did we do? We infused elastic, yeah, something really thin and inconspicuous to the skirt. And finally we edged with our famous chains and single crochet stitch edging. We gave it a little slit here just for that little oomph, to make it look really sassy at the party later. All right, at work, for work it is very, very decent, and then for party it just gives it that extra oomph, right? The lace and then the color and then the design, and especially these crystal buttons. Okay, so that's about it. It's a very easy skirt to work. Just note lace design, gradual increases, join up, infuse buttons, infuse the elastic, and that's about it. Okay, so now we move on to the blouse. So here's the blouse, right? I didn't mention that we made this for a size 8 to 10. Size 8 to 10 can totally wear this. This blouse we made in with the moss stitch. Everything here is moss stitch. Can you work the moss stitch? If you can't, we have videos in a how-to, in a how-to to tell you how, to show you how you can work the moss stitch. So we started with a yoke up here, a square yoke. You can see that, right? So you walk the yoke down up to a point, of course, up to the armhole depth. You get the armhole depth to be about 7 inches thereabout. So once this is 7 inches, it means that you can now walk the bust line. All right, and so we walk that down to a point, and then we opened it up. See that? We opened it up in a different color, navy blue. We infused in here. So what did we do when we got to that point? We were walking the round all along, okay, but at this point, what did we do? We started out in here. Let me show you that. So you stitch maybe from 3/4 you would have measured, or 2/3. This is the front part of the blouse, right? This is the front part of the blouse. It starts from here up to this point. What did we do? We started the stitching from about 2/3 or a little more, there. We walked around, came back around, went over, went over this point up to here, up to another 2/3 line or 3/4 line, depending on how you divide it. Why? We wanted to create this flap. All right, so of course that we would walk diagonally. We would walk, go around, come back around, go around, come back around for the desired length. At the end of the day, this would be the result. It will be flappy like this because you didn't work in the round. Really simple to work. Simple stitch. All right, what else did we do to give it that final little oomph? We infused crochet buttons, tiny little buttons in crochet in this color to give it a final beautiful look. And then we infused sleeves, right? We have videos on how to attach sleeves or infuse sleeves in your garment. We have those in our how-to. So check our playlist. You'll find the tutorial playlist where you can find out all of these tips and the various little tips you can use to create your own garment. So that's about it. And then we edged. We edged using the same moss stitch, right? Just around. Difference is that we used the navy blue around this to make it look this beautiful. All right, as you can see, it's something you can totally wear to work. Now, do you want to pair this with pants? You totally can. You want to pair it with anything you want to pair it with, you really can, right? You want to pair it with jeans, you can. It is a very beautiful corporate top that can go from work to a party later. Do you have questions about specific parts of this how we made this? Do let us know in the comment section. Remember, visit our Instagram galleries. We have our wedding apparel at Makisode Weddings on Instagram, and then we have our corporates and casuals. You're going to find this at Makisode Models also on Instagram. Remember to subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss out on anything brand new. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.